Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making shakshouka, eggs poached in a rich, spiced tomato sauce. You hear that crunch, you can feel the flavor before the first bite even hits. Let's make this. Drizzle in some olive oil. Onions not in the original, but I stand by, it just works. Now a bit of salt to help the onions soften and caramelize. Add the peppers, let them caramelize and bring out their sweetness. Now toss in the garlic. Mix it in well and cook for 1 more minute. Now add the tomato paste. After another minute or 2 of cooking, add the spices, chili, paprika, and a pinch of oregano. Next, add the chopped tomatoes, then season with salt and a bit of pepper. Give everything a good mix and let it cook for another minute or 2. Now turn the heat to high, add the water, cover it up, and let it cook for about 15 minutes, or until the tomatoes break down into a jammy consistency. Once the sauce reaches that jammy consistency, lower the heat. Then, I like to make little spots in the sauce and crack the eggs right in. I like to sprinkle a bit of salt on each egg. It adds more flavor. Then cover the pan and let them cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until the yolks are soft and ready. Once the eggs are done, I finish it off with a bit of cheese, just enough to melt into the sauce. Then a sprinkle of fresh parsley to brighten everything up. Maybe a little more parsley, because why not? And that's it, a perfect shakshouka, topped with cheese and parsley. Now let's take that first bite. Grab some toasted sourdough, dip it into the runny yolk, and scoop up that jammy sauce. You hear that crunch? That's the sound of flavor. Thanks for watching and see you next time.